Welcome to this session on Kubernetes Ingress. In this video, we'll explore how Ingress enables sophisticated HTTP and HTTPS routing to services within your cluster, along with SSL termination capabilities. Ingress is a powerful component in Kubernetes networking that simplifies how external traffic reaches your applications. Ingress is an API object in Kubernetes that manages external access to services running inside a cluster. It primarily handles HTTP and HTTPS traffic. Think of Ingress as a smart gateway that sits at the edge of your cluster. It provides three key capabilities. First, it offers load balancing and name-based virtual hosting to distribute traffic efficiently. Second, it handles SSL and TLS termination, managing secure connections at the cluster edge. And third, it intelligently routes traffic based on URL paths and hostnames, directing requests to the appropriate backend services. To understand how Ingress works, you need to know about its three main components. First is the Ingress resource, which is a YAML manifest file where you define your routing rules and configuration. This is where you specify how traffic should flow. Second is the Ingress controller, which is the actual software implementation that reads these rules and routes traffic accordingly. Popular controllers include NGINX, Traffic, and HA proxy. Finally, there are your backend services, which are the target Kubernetes services that receive the routed traffic from the Ingress. All three components work together to enable external access to your applications. Let's look at a basic Ingress resource structure. It starts with the API version networking.k8s.io/v1, and the kind is Ingress. In the metadata section, you give it a name like myIngress. The spec section is where the routing magic happens. Under rules, you define a host, such as example.com. Then under HTTP, you specify paths. Each path has a path value like / for the root, a path type such as prefix, and a backend that points to your service. This simple structure forms the foundation of Ingress routing. Path-based routing allows you to direct traffic to different services based on the URL path. In this example, we define multiple paths under the same host. Traffic coming to /API with path type prefix gets routed to a backend service called API service on port 8080. Meanwhile, traffic to /web also with path type prefix goes to web service on port 80. This approach lets you run multiple applications or microservices behind a single domain name, with each path routing to its designated service. It's an efficient way to organize your application architecture. Host-based routing, also called name-based virtual hosting, routes traffic based on the hostname in the request. Here we define multiple rules, each with a different host. Traffic destined for API.example.com gets routed to API service on port 8080, while traffic for www.example.com goes to a different service. This allows you to host multiple domains or subdomains in the same Kubernetes cluster, with each hostname mapping to its own backend service. It's particularly useful when you're running multiple websites or applications that need distinct domain names. SSL and TLS termination is one of Ingress's most valuable features. When Ingress handles SSL termination, it decrypts incoming HTTPS traffic at the cluster edge before routing it to backend services. This approach provides three major benefits. First, you get centralized certificate management, meaning all your SSL certificates are managed in one place rather than scattered across services. Second, it reduces computational overhead on your backend services since they don't need to handle encryption and decryption. And third, it simplifies service configuration because your backend services can communicate using plain HTTP internally while still providing secure HTTPS connections to external users. Here's how you configure TLS in an Ingress resource. The API version is networking.k8s.io/v1, and the kind is Ingress. Under the spec section, you add a TLS block. Inside TLS, you specify the hosts array containing the domains that will use this certificate, such as secure.example.com. The secret name field references a Kubernetes secret that stores your TLS certificate and private key. Then, in the Rules section, you define your normal routing rules for that host. When a user connects to secure.example.com over HTTPS, the Ingress controller uses the certificate from the TLS secret to establish a secure connection, then routes the decrypted traffic to your backend services.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.